Now, Polestar is an EV startup trying to carve a lane in the EV space, but they don't get a lot of love from the press. Maybe because they are based in Sweden. Maybe they don't do enough marketing. Nevertheless, the question is, and it's an easy answer, why has the stock just dropped? Well, you can thank high interest rates for the last 2 years as a catalyst for the dropping price. And if you go to the weekly chart, we had a beautiful setup. We had a drop in price. Look at that basing candle and then a drop, a retest. That was the time to short. Question is, how far and how much lower will Polestar go? Well, let's look at this article and then I'll give you my projected target. So a year before, the company delivered 12,000 EVs, meaning 7,200 figure was a 40% decline in deliveries for the Sweden-based company. Management said 2024 is a transitional year in which it will shift from building just one EV model to adding 2 new electric SUVs to its lineup. So it currently has the Polestar 2, plans on making the Polestar 3 and 4. As the SUVs roll out, the company predicts it will grow its sales and expand in profit margins in the second half of fiscal 2024. By 2025, it expects to sell between 155 and 165,000 EVs, implying a 6-fold increase from the latest quarterly numbers. It's pretty aggressive. That's a pretty aggressive target. Oh, that's a pretty aggressive target. I agree. And judging from investors' reactions to the company's first quarter news, they are not convinced Polestar can hit it. Meanwhile, the stock remains a speculative investment. Now, a lot of EV startups put out these projections, which were and are very aggressive. I don't know why they do that. The company had 3.1 billion in market capitalization and net debt of 2 billion. Polestar has said it recently secured 950 million in external funding from a consortium of international banks. So again, it is speculative. I wouldn't touch it. Now, remember the setup. Drop, base, drop, retest. That was the opportunity to get short. And I believe I saw a similar setup on the daily chart. Let's see. Here's that level again that we were looking at on the weekly chart. I mean, this was one. A drop, base and candle drop, retest. But it didn't take out the pivot low, so price eventually moved higher. But nevertheless, what is price doing? It's making lower highs and lower lows. And to begin this week, we had a gap down. So where's price going? Well, I think it's going lower. And I have a target of $1, which is only 36 cents away. But that is a round hole psychological number that Wall Street smart money is looking at. So thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.